Hello everyone, this is vanAmsen. Welcome back to another coding vlog. Today we are going to solve problem from LeetCode. It's problem number 9, which is about checking if number is a palindrome or not. So let's dive right to it. Okay, let's take a look at the problem. Given an integer x, we need to return true if x is palindrome and false otherwise. A palindrome, for those who may not know, is number or the word that reads the same from forward and backward. So let's dive into cases. So we have 3 examples. So first is x is 121. Output is true because from both sides it's reads the same. Second example is minus 121 and output is false because it's not a palindrome, because from one side is it's reads as minus 121, but from other sides, so from right to left, so right to left, it's 1 to 1 minus, so it's not the same, so it's not palindrome. And last example is just 10, and 10 reads from 0, 1, from right to left. And yeah, notice the follow-up question. It's asked if we can solve this problem without converting the integer to a string. This adds a bit of challenge, but we can solve it. So we are given a solution class and also a function, and the function is already defined, and its take parameter x, which is integer. So first, negative number are not palindrome. Yeah, so if x is less than 0, we return false. So it's boundary case, and we have deal with negative numbers. Determine number of digits in x. So num digits 0 and temporary x, so our value, and temporary if it's greater than 0, we divided it without remainder by 10. So in case of 121 divided by 10 without remainder, it's 12, then 1. Yeah, and num digits should give us 3. And let's compare digits from left and right. Left is x, right is 0, and we arrange it num digits by half. So in this case, 3 by 2, it's 1 because it's division without remainder. And then we construct the right number and left number as well. So then if the number of digits is odd, ignore the middle digits. So if number digits modulo 2 is not equal 0, so left modulo without a remainder, so 10. Check if left and right values are equal. So because we have like both parts, we check left equals right, and if both are the same, we should have true value, return it, and otherwise it will be false. So in this part, we just calculate number of digits, and this operator you should be familiar. So it's division, but without remainder. So in case of 121, if we iterate, it will get to to 12, because we are getting rid of last digit, and then just 1, and then 0, so it's not greater than 0, and we have incremented up to 3. So we know that we have 3 numbers, and here, for example, we have number of digits 3 for first case, and 3 divided without remainder by 2 is just 1, because it's 3 divided by 2, it's 1.5, and we get rid of last part. So in this case, we have run this loop only once. So this number will be 12. So because it's 12, because it's 12, we get rid one more time by 10, and then it will be 1. So we comparing 1 to right value, so also 1. And this function is constructing the number, but from other side, and it's very simple because we take modulo, so first number, so 1, but from the right side, and then multiply this by 10. So we are moving whole number to the left side from the right. And yeah, we constructed both numbers, and we need to just check the boundary case. And let's run this code and check if it's work. Yeah, so it's work for test cases, and for unseen cases, I hope it will also work. So yeah, it worked, and yeah, we have solved it. And as task has asked us without converting to string. So we do just mathematical operation, so modulo, division without remainder, and we constructed both numbers from left side and from right side, and just to half. And also we take care of boundary case of negative number, which are not palindrome. And also we have so we have solved this task and constructed both right and left part of the number. So yep, that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget hit the like button and subscribe for more coding vlogs. Until next time, happy coding, and see you next time.